My dear friends, what we gonna plant today? Let us plant the okra. Firstly, we need to fill up the seedling tray with peat moss. Then, poke the holes for every grid of seedling tray. Put one okra seed for every single hole. At last, we cover the holes with a thin layer of peat moss. Wow! The seeds grow into healthy seedlings after 10 days. Press the bottom, take out the seedlings, and ready to get transplanted. Have you ever seen the okra flowers? The flowers grow into okras after the petals drop.